protest over the hike in the prices of petrol and diesel continues in Karnataka. Now the BJP and the JDS have held multiple protests against it. And today in Bengaluru, the BJP are holding a cycle jata. As you can see in the visuals, BJP leaders and party workers have gathered in large numbers and they are cycling towards Vidhan Sauda. They have started from the BJP office near Malleshwaram. They will be cycling towards Vidhan Sauda. As you can see in the visuals, most of the leaders have gathered here. The demand is pretty much clear that the state government must immediately roll back and withdraw the prices, the hike in prices of petrol and diesel. And statewide protests have been held. Now this is the cycle jata that is being going on, and at the very same time they say that they will also hold a Raste Roko Abhiyan. So that will be held by the BJP. So the BJP's demand is pretty much clear that immediately the state government must withdraw the hike in the prices of both the petrol and the diesel as well. So as you can see in the visuals, the BJP leaders are cycling towards Vidhan Sauda. We'll quickly cut across and speak to the BJP MLA Harish Poonja here. Sir, your demand is pretty much clear. You have held multiple protests, but still the state government says they'll not take it back.
They are rude about their decision. They are not decided. They are not. They are.
How do you see this, sir?
The government is doing very rudely because they are not no financial discipline in the government. They are just doing the namesake of party. The common people are very much suffering in this decision. So we are demanding, please withdraw the diesel and petrol price increase.
And so that's what they have to say. They are stating that the Siddaramaiah government, it came to power stating that they'll reduce the prices of petrol and diesel, but once again they are increasing it. So they are objecting to that. But on the other hand, the state government has also made it very much clear. They are pointing fingers at the center, stating that the central excise duty has also been maximum and it has to be reduced, it has been increased. So that's one of the counter coming in from the Karnataka state government. Plus they have made it very much clear that they'll not be withdrawing the hike in the prices of petrol and the fuel, and the BJP says that they're not letting go of it and they will continue to protest against the state government over this whole issue. Demanding the immediate withdrawal of the hike in fuel prices, the BJP staged a protest and tried to carry out a cycle jata and now are being arrested by the police officials in Bengaluru. Now remember, they had planned to carry out this cycle jata from the BJP office that is in Malleshwaram to Vidhan Sauda. All the leaders, MLAs and state party president B.Y. Vijayendra, they had gathered here and in order to carry out this cycle jata from here to Vidhan Sauda. But few of the party workers are being arrested by the police officials and not allowed to carry out this protest. But still a dramatic situation here. The police are trying to arrest them, but the BJP workers are still staging a protest. The demand is clear that they want the state government in order to ensure that they immediately withdraw the hike in prices of petrol and diesel, which has been increased very recently by the Karnataka state government. Remember, there have been multiple protests, statewide protests by both the BJP and the JDS, and the protests are only escalating here in the state of Karnataka. Dramatic visuals coming in front of the BJP office in Bengaluru where a scuffle has broken out between the party workers and the police officials. The police officials are not allowing the BJP workers to carry out the cycle jata. On the other hand, if you take a look at the response from the state government, they have stated that despite the increase in the petrol prices and the diesel prices, it's less compared to other states. So that's the argument and defense coming in from the Karnataka state government. And as we speak, the protests only escalate here in the state of Karnataka, with the BJP and the JDS trying to mount pressure on the Karnataka state government to ensure that they immediately withdraw the hike in both the fuel, the petrol and the diesel prices. So yes, the dramatic visuals right from the BJP office, and the latest update is that the BJP workers are not being allowed to carry out the protest, the cycle jata, and being arrested by the police officials at the end of the road where the BJP office is located in Bengaluru.